Okay, so we need these two libraries, and let's get this mower data in lawnmower data. So we say mower.df is read.csv. All right, so I have the mower data, and I need R part and then I need R part is for generating the decision tree, and then we need R part dot plot for plotting the decision tree. So these are the two libraries we'll be using. Okay. And it has the pruning method too. Okay, so fitting the model or training the model. So we can use for classification. Okay, if your target is a factor, then the default is classification. So it will automatically make it into classification. And if it is not a factor, then the default is numerical. It will assume that the target is a numerical variable. So it will do a regression analysis. So if it is not a factor, if y is not a factor and you want that to be a classification, then you have to specify method equal to class. Okay. So the easiest, okay, so I'm going to just give you the basic code, okay, and so that would be, so let's call it mower.tree, okay, the R part, okay, ownership, okay, ownership is the target, okay, and so the formula is ownership against everything else. Okay, so that's tilde and a period. And you say data equal to mower.df. Okay. Now see, ownership is character variable. So let's see what happens. So if you run, okay, so you have the mower right here. Okay, so the method is automatically set to class because the ownership is character variable. Okay, so you have all the rest of it. Okay. Now if you want to plot this, all you have to do is so the basic plotting is PRP. So if you say PRP mower.tree, okay, and run that, and here you go. So you have a plot. Okay. Now, of course, we are now letting R use all the defaults. We have not set anything. We say, okay, do a tree and then print it. Okay. So then you get this, and you don't get a whole lot of information. Okay. So now, what if we want to control how the tree is generated? Okay. So I'm going to